So, a lot of times people come in and they say, what's a nice doctor like you doing treating a disease like this? And, well, I got into it the old-fashioned way. I had the disease. I had what I call the drop-dead flu back in 1975, and it left me near bedbound. I had to drop out of medical school. Being a good Jewish boy, my whole life was geared to being a healer and a physician, and I figured my life was over. I dropped out of med school. I was paying my own way, which meant I was homeless, living in the parks. And it was funny. It's like the universe put a sign, homeless, holistic medical school, on my park bench. It was interesting. Healers came by. I almost became a naturopath, and there's a whole other story why I didn't, but we'll leave that for another time. Herbalists, energy medicine, I learned chakra work, and through all of that, I learned how to get well. So there I was, dropped out of med school, homeless, best friggin' year of my life, I'll tell you. It's awesome. It gave me my life back because it taught me what I needed to do to be authentic. I was so busy doing what everybody else thought I should do to please them that I wasn't even thinking in terms of a concept of what would I like? What feels good to me? It forced me to get in touch with who I was, and it turned out to be a real gift. And for most of the people who have the disease, as they understand what the illness is telling them, they will look back and say, that was a real blessing. But tell them that after they get better. From the front end of it, I'm not going to be able to hear it.